Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech topics to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to change your debit card on Zelle online in 2025. If you've got a new debit card and need to update it on Zelle for seamless money transfers, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but we'll go step by step to ensure you don't miss a beat. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your new debit card details handy, like the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Security is key, so we'll handle this with care. Step 1. Open the Zelle app or go to the Zelle website on your computer or mobile device. If you're using the app, log in with your username and password. If it's your first time, you might need to verify your identity. Don't worry, it's quick. Once you're logged in, head over to the Settings menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon in the top right corner. In the Settings, look for the Payment Methods or Linked Accounts section. Here, you'll see your current debit card listed. Tap or click on it to view details. Next, to change it, select the option to remove or delete your old card. Confirm this action when prompted. Zelle might ask for additional verification like a PIN or email code to protect your account. After that's done, go back to the Payment Methods section and look for Add a new card or something similar. Enter the details of your new debit card carefully, the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and the security code. Zelle may require you to verify the new card by making a small test deposit or asking for a one-time code sent to your bank's app. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this. Once verified, your new card should be active. And that's it. You've successfully updated your debit card on Zelle for 2025. Remember, always double-check your details to avoid any transfer issues, and if you run into problems, Zelle's support team is just a click away. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.